Hi everyone. So I just had an open set and I wanted to show you what that looks like before I seal it back up. This was from the buy one get one deal that they had for some of the Valentine's sets, and so my stylist actually bought this and brought it to me. And it wasn't even on my mind, but I could smell nail polish when she handed me the bag of sets. I got 4 sets. The other 3 were fine. I don't smell any nail polish anyway. I could smell nail polish, so I knew something was open. Just from smelling the set, I would, kind of like squeeze it, and I could smell this one was open. And so when I opened it, so I think what is causing it is it's sealed really close to the end, you can see. And this one, by looking at the code, this last number tells me the year. So this was packaged or manufactured on the 313th day of 2023. So this was probably back when they were having more of this problem, where it's getting sealed really close here, and there's like a little, I don't know if you can see the line, but there's a line right there where it's open. I did have some sets in the fall, which is the first time I had noticed it in my own sets, that they were sealed too far this way. So it was open on the pinky side, so it's almost like they had overcorrected. But this was where it was happening, I guess, from what I heard anyway. And when you get the set, if you I don't know how well you can see it, it like fills up with air, so something's open there, and I don't know. So if you have this problem, my stylist is gonna message Color Street so you can see it's starting to open right there. And let me grab my scissors. So my stylist, I took pictures front and back, so they'll have the code and they can see this here, and she's going to send that to Color Street. And then I think they also need your order number, but since she ordered it, she's going to take care of it for me. And they've been really great to send me fresh sets when this happens, because obviously if your set's open, they're drying, so, because they are real nail polish. Let's see if I can get one of the, I think it was the last sub box. Yeah, look at that, open right there. I actually sent him pictures with my nail file. I think I had 2 or 3 open in that one sub box, but there you can see it's open. So yeah, that's what you're looking for if you're looking for open sets. I think from what I've heard, they fixed the problem, but I still always try, if I remember, to sniff my sets. I'm actually going to open this up and seal it back up here with you. If I forget, I'll sometimes stick it back in the packaging and wait a little bit and then open it, because that's the best way to tell, is just if you smell that polish smell. And actually, let's see if these have dried much at all. See if they're still sticky. I was curious. I'm just gonna pop. Oh, I smell nail polish, so maybe they haven't dried too much. They still smell fresh. That's what I'm trying to say. I smell the nail polish pretty strong. Well, it's still got some stick to it. I don't know if it's fresh, or it's hard to tell for sure. Anyway. And I store my sets, open sets, in a binder. Ooh, is that another? I almost wonder if I should put this in a new package. I store all my sets in a binder once they're out of the cardboard. Oh, I adjusted my light. I don't know if that's open or not. I don't know. Maybe I'll move it to a different package. Anyway, so I seal it with the name on the front, because then I can see what the name is as I'm looking through my binder. And I wasn't sure about that idea until now that I've been doing it. I really like it, because some of the sets really look the same, or it's hard to tell what they are, especially some of those like transparent or white, clear as day. That's hard to tell what it is. It's hard to tell if it's a white set or stuff like that change. Anyway, I'm gonna stick all those back in there. Get all the air squished out. And just melt it back up. So yeah, if you have this happen to you, you can message Color Street, or your stylist can. And I think you have to do it within a certain number of days, like 90 days. I could be wrong. Anyway, you want to do it soon if it happens. Okay, let's see. I think that worked. I'm kind of nervous about that spot, but anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you so you can have a really good look at what that looks like. So this is Sunset Serenade that it happened on. Anyway, thank you for tuning in with me. Bye.